In this tutorial, we're gonna make Among Us character. So let's open over into Blender and let's get started. Let's add a cube. Go to edit mode, subdivide it by 5 times, and you give a smoothness of 1. Now go to wireframe mode. Select the bottom vertices, grab it on Z-axis. Now let's turn on proportional editing and scale it on Z-axis. This looks fine for me. Go to side view, select all and scale it on Y-axis. Now let's see how it looks. Okay, this looks fine for me. Now go to top view, select these vertices, scale it on X-axis, something like this, and select these vertices, scale it on X-axis. Now let's go to solid view and let's see how it looks. Okay, this looks fine for me, and let's add in subdivision surface. Okay, this looks fine. Now let's add in backpack. Now let's go to side view. Let's add a cube, grab it on Y-axis, place it something like this, scale it on Y-axis, and place it here. Now go to edit mode, select all edges and Ctrl B to bevel it. Something like this is fine. Shade smooth. Now let's add a helmet. Add a cube, subdivide it by 5 times, scale it down, and place it something like this. Okay, this looks fine for me. Let's select these faces by holding down Alt. Press C and S to scale it and give a subdivision surface. Shade smooth. Now let's sharpen these edges. Press Ctrl R to add an edge loop here and here. Or just you can add an bevel modifier. It's your wish. Something like this is fine. Let's scale it down. Okay. Now let's join them together. Select all and select the body as a last object and press Ctrl J to join them together. Now let's add legs. Let's add a cylinder. Grab it on Z-axis. Go into wireframe mode. Scale it down. Scale it on Z-axis. And something like this is fine. And you can see some artifacts here. So for removing that one, we need to go to object data properties and go to normals and auto smooth. Now let's go to edit mode. Select the bottom edges. Ctrl B to bevel it. And turn on proportional editing. Scale it on Z-axis. Okay, this looks nice. Okay. For adding another leg, let's add a mirror modifier and select the object. Now we have both legs. Okay, and this looks fine. You can scale it up. Apply the mirror modifier Now let's add an subdivision surface to the legs. Let's delete this space, we don't need that. Now it looks fine. And apply the subdivision surface and join them together.
Yes,
now it's shading part. For the world, I have added an HDRI. It's from HDRIHaven.com. I have added this one, and let's add a new material. I'm giving it a base color of red and turn down the roughness, something like this. And for the backpack, assign a new material. And create a new material. I'm giving it a red color, but something darker than this. And for the helmet, let's select this one and assign a new material. I'm giving it a blue color, something like this, and turn down the roughness. And turn down the roughness of this backpack also. For those reflections, I'm adding a normal map and a noise texture, and connect the factor to the color and the normal to the normal. Now let's increase the scale, something like 1000. Okay, this is nice. Now let's go to render view and let's see how it looks. Okay, this looks fine for me. Okay, here we go. We have modeled an Among Us character.